Literally, spiders are dropping from the ceiling. Okay, let's go inside.
Yeah, we should go inside.
Here is the final thing. Just try to remember what it looked like before. Try to remember. And here we go.
Mix that Negro with that Creole, make the Texas banner. I like my baby having afros. I like my baby having afros.
Welcome! Today, we are doing a very exciting project.
Oh, yeah.
And that project is in the new apartment. So if you saw my last video, you'll know that this new apartment is not actually a new apartment at all. It is Joseph's apartment that is now our apartment. The first place that we're starting to redecorate is the porch balcony patio thing.
It's a balcony, but we're on the first floor. So
yeah, it's technically a balcony.
Patio.
Yeah. It is one of the only places that we actually get sunshine here in this apartment, so we want to make it cute. We want to make it special. This is the balcony. It's pretty big. It's about 15 feet, but as you can see, it is super disgusting out
dirty.
here. So we have lots of bugs, lots of spiders specifically. Step one, we'll be clearing everything up.
That it will be.
So let's get to it.
Let's get
I didn't
rolling.
even mention. So the style that I'm going for with this balcony is it's going to be very neutral. We're going to keep it neutral and bright because all of the light in the apartment comes from these two doors. So I didn't want to put super dark furniture and colors out here because that would kind of, lose some of the light that we get inside of the apartment. So I wanted to keep it very light. We have light chairs, light wood, all of that. It's super exciting. So, yeah, now we'll actually get started.
We should get it popping.
Okay, so next course of action. Joseph is still cleaning out on the patio and it's starting to look really good out there. We bought these rocking chairs and they're really cute. They're white. They're like just your classic kind of rocking chair, basically. So I'm just gonna start putting that together. So today is day 2 of finishing. Oh my god, I'm so shiny. But anyway, we're about to finally finish the rest of this balcony patio setup that we have going here. Everything has arrived. It's a few days later and you'll see that we have both the rocking chairs and the tables already out and set up. It is so hot, wow. So I ordered a terrace and I thought it was made out of metal, but it turns out it's made out of wood and it like stretches really long. So it's really cute. So I was thinking it's gonna go on the back wall and let's see how it looks. I bought some command hooks. I bought some mini hooks, and then I also bought some light clips and window hooks. So I'm not really sure which one will be better for this on these. So hopefully one of them works. If not, I'll be able to use them on like another part of the apartment and be able to hang something else up. So yeah, let's get started with that. But stuff's falling on me from the ceiling. Spiders are everywhere. It's really a lot. It's really a lot.
For some reason, this one here, like,
Is it just not sticking?
these two are sticking.
Uh-huh. It's like bowing out. It's not. All right, after literally so much struggle, the trellis is finally up. So both command hooks actually didn't stick to the siding. So then what we were like Googling and figuring out what would work, it said like these trellis hooks would work. So we went all the way to Lowe's, ended up not having any, but Joseph, what?
You're so cute. Sorry.
Stop. But Joseph ended up picking up some Gorilla Tape. We just taped, you actually kind of can't see it. There's like, you can see that one reflecting.
Yeah.
But you kind of can't see it, so now it's up. We still have that command hook that's stuck to it actually on the top. Ew, they smell really weird. These smell so weird. Literally, spiders are dropping from the ceiling. What the heck? Okay, let's go inside.
Yeah, we should go inside.
OMG! This is what the sky looks like. This is the sky. Okay, no, let's stop playing around. Let's go inside. Okay, so it's pouring. Oh my god. Okay, so we have a death in the family. It didn't quite hold up to the storm. As you can see, the tape is still up, but the trellis is not. As you can probably see, things have not gone to plan. It looks like we've accomplished nothing. Yeah, so I'm basically just going to try to put it back up, I guess. So what else I'm gonna do? What else I'm gonna do? So I chose a yellow rug, but I don't really remember choosing a yellow rug. I know this is clear, like clear plastic, so I could see that it was yellow, but for some reason I didn't believe it. And now it's here, and it's yellow. I guess we're gonna see. It looks like it's going to rain again, which is literally just my luck. Like, can you even see it? Look at this. Like, why did I even leave Florida? I have no idea. Y'all, it's really about to storm again. Okay, let me wrap this up real quick. Okay guys, I'm sorry this is a little bit of a rushed and like ratchet ending to this video that I wasn't expecting to have, but it's about to pour again and I would really like to finish this video before that. So here is the final thing. Just try to remember what it looked like before, try to remember. And here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to run over everything that I did really quick, how much we accomplished, which was really a lot compared to what was here before. So I'm gonna start over here. So this is just a cute little, this is actually a faux plant, but it's huge. So I thought it'd be really cute. So when you first walked out onto the patio, you just saw this really big, bright green plant. Oh my gosh, you hear the thunder, right? Oh my God. So then we have these cute little woven lights. Oh my God, there's lightning and everything. We have these cute little woven lights that are from Amazon. So I have 2 sets of these lights going across. I didn't have enough batteries for both of them, so only these are plugged in just to give you an example of what it actually looks like when it's on. It's beautiful. And then we come over here and we have our 2 rocking chairs. They are both from Walmart. We have our very cute, I decided it's cute. We have this really cute yellow and cream and gray rug. That is just a runner that goes almost the whole length of the balcony. Not quite, but almost. And then we have our little home goods tables that are so super cute. They are just like a more natural wood color compared to our painted white wood, and they actually fold up, so that's super convenient if we wanted to put more chairs out here. But we can also put drinks, and if we wanted to play games out here, these are perfect little tables for that. I got this cute little pumpkin that says "Hey there" from Home Goods as well, and this plant also. It looks a little dirty over here. It's literally just the wear and tear and a few leaves. So don't even worry about that. Finally, we have the little trellis wall. So like I said before, this trellis is actually made out of real wood, which is super surprising. You can see like the cuts and everything, but I kind of love it. So the trellis is made out of real wood, but we did hang some fake ivies from it, and I think it turned out really nice. We might buy another one and just kind of cut the little hole for the light out of it and just kind of hang it so the whole wall is trellis. But as you saw before, we're kind of having issues keeping it, just ignore that. We're kind of having issues keeping it up on the wall. So we just are using the Gorilla Tape. I'm using the Gorilla Tape for the wall and for the lights at the moment until we find a more permanent solution. I hope you enjoyed this little patio balcony. We live on the first floor, so it's kind of both a patio and a balcony situation that we have going on. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for things that we could do out here to kind of make it a little bit homey, a little bit more cute. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye!
360. Oh,
Oh, well, hold on, double 360.
you can't see yours, so it doesn't actually matter.
So how do we do it? You can try to keep the camera forward.
Okay.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No.
Oh! I just cut off part of my nail!
No.
Jesus. The bug just touched my leg. Okay, is that better? Wait a minute.